join us at the park.
Yeah?
I found a mushroom.
Nice.
Over here somewhere. See how beautiful it is? Found a mushroom. That is
So pretty.
I found two. Where? Oh yeah. See 'em? I think that's the same one.
Listen, do you know what kind of bird that is? That is a red cardinal.
So pretty. What'd you find?
Mushroom.
Let me see.
Look.
Oh my goodness.
Is this my YouTube video?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Hey, guys. It's me, Noah, and I found some mushrooms.
Oh, cool. Let's see how many we can find today.
Yup, I'm gonna
We
put
forgot a
these down.
bag. Next time we gotta bring our mushroom bag.
Okay, I'll just set them down.
Yep. Let's see what else we can find around here.
So we're gonna find goose eggs.
Okay. Oh my
Hey
gosh!
guys, it's duckling.
Look, there's. You said you wanted to see baby ducks.
Come on, duckling.
Look at the baby
Hey, mommy duck, it's a
duck.
duckling.
Oh my goodness, so cute. Hi guys. Oh Nolan. Yeah. Oh, they're so cute. They are so cute. Look at that little
It's
guy.
probably gonna go onto the land.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, look at the crystal clear water.
Wow.
It's beautiful. Mom, guess what? It's
Wow.
crystal clear.
Let's see. Let's see. Check it out. Look at this crystal clear water. The little
It's not
fishies.
dirty. Look, see, you can see a bottom, so that means it's crystal clear.
Little fishies.
3, 2, 1. Let me go check on the duckling.
There they are.
I want to go. Oh, it's going that way, so let's make it go that way and see if we can touch the duckling. Since it's going that way, that means we're not going to pick up the duck. Okay, let's go follow the ducks. Oh, sorry, mother duck. Sorry. I'm sorry, mother duck. Hey, the duckling. We might pick up the ducklings soon. Otherwise. Let's go follow them.
Hmm? So cute. Look at him.
See if it comes up on the sidewalk.
What did you find? Ooh, let me see.
Oh, it's dead.
Oh, okay. Let's go see if we can. Oh, I see some good ones. Look. All over the place. Those are cool. What kind are those, do you think?
I don't know. Probably a bullet.
Bullet? Yeah, they're in the bullet family.
Mushrooms.
Looks like it.
I first gotta pack them. I love to pack them. It's so satisfying.
Yeah.
Look, they're all together.
Oh, yeah.
I found a huge mushroom. Wow, there's a whole pack of the family of them.
You gotta show me them really good. Okay.
Wow, these mushrooms here are getting really good.
Yep. Don't touch those.
This one right here is dead.
Yep.
This is a dead mushroom.
Let me see that one. Show it. Whoa, that is a big daddy.
I know, right?
Yes.
Huge. That was huge. Let's go there.
That is humongous. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I think this is in the bolete family, but we are going to look it up. There might be some sort of deer mushroom or oyster mushroom.
Actually, guys, let's go in the forest. Follow me.
Okay.
You know the
All right, what are you hunting for? Speak loud.
mushrooms.
Mushrooms?
Yeah.
All right, anything else? Are you hunting for lichen? You want to show the kids what lichen is? What about moss? Can we show the kids some moss? Ooh, that's pretty. That is really pretty.
This is
Let me
moss.
see. Wow.
This is what moss looks like. Oh, I thought that was mushrooms that are already picked.
What's that? Cool.
I'm gonna take out the moss.
Let's leave that one alone. That's a good one though.
Hey guys, look, I found the mushrooms.
Wow, let me get it first before you pick it. Wow, that is a cool looking one. Look at that. That is a healthy looking one, huh?
Yeah, I
Let's
think.
check it out.
Okay.
Let me see. Wow, hold it up to your face. We'll see how big it is. Oh my goodness. That's a big old boy. Dang. He's
Found
just,
one right here.
oh, perfect. These are cool. We need to identify what kind of mushrooms these are. Yes.
They're probably
They like growing over here in this area. Just hang on to them. We'll identify them.
I found one right here.
Oh, nice. Very cool.
Oh, this one got off.
Okay. Oh, I see another one over there.
I found one right here.
Yeah. Those are cool. All right, let's identify them. Ready? Let's line them up right here and I'll identify them. All right.
Ready? Or you gotta like and subscribe so I can get that play button. I really want it. So guys, I
We'll
hope
say-
I get 1,000 likes. Like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.